Hello, good morning. Happy Monday. As usual, need to go to the grocery. I'm gonna buy something for my spaghetti. I'm gonna cook spaghetti today. They don't want lutong bahay food. They want pasta today. That's why I need to go to the store to buy spaghetti sauce. We have pasta in the house, but for the spaghetti sauce we don't have. We need to buy detergent also for the laundry. I'm washing today. My schedule is washing day today. I'm going to the grocery while it's not yet too hot. At 9 o'clock is very hot. That's why for now not too hot. I need to buy something. After 9 very hot. The sun is so hot. It's burning our skin. I have so many skin rashes. That's why I went to the derma last Saturday. I'll check if they have the big spaghetti sauce here. Bye guys. Happy Monday.